Hello, everyone. This is Christina from the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. And today I'm bringing you the sunflower quilt block for my project for the Paint Couture creative team. This is a sunflower laser kit that I offer on my website. And we're going to do this start to finish. Right now, I am just removing the pieces that don't need to be in there. You can leave all pieces in there if that's what you choose to do. I like it to have the dimensional look, so I'm taking some of those out. And you'll see that I have a piece of cardboard and I just have painter's tape there so I can stick those small pieces on. It makes it easier to paint them. And to make sure that I have them in the right order, I'm putting them on there exactly how I pull them off. I'm going to take a fine grit sandpaper and I'm just going to sand over the surface quickly. Now I'm going to take my Van Dyke Brown. This is a bottle that's almost gone, and I just keep adding water to it, and I use it as a stain. So I'm going to stain the spots where I removed those pieces because that is the only surface that is going to show. So that's what I'm going to do here. Van Dyke Brown gives such a nice rich brown color. It's great to use as a stain. And then this is the frame that goes around it. I'm doing the same exact thing to that. And now I'm taking a baby wipe and I'm just going over where I applied the Van Dyke Brown. I'm going to give it a dry, the frame and the surface, and then we're going to go ahead and set that aside. And I'm showing you that the pieces that are on that cardboard piece, I marked with the colors that I want to use. Like I put B for black and Y for yellow, just so I know I don't get confused. Okay, for here I am using just a tea light candle from Dollar Tree, and I'm rubbing it in random spots where the surface is going to show. And then I'm going over it with my favorite color. I use this on every project practically. Buttercream in the chalk style. I love this. Such a nice neutral color. It's not a stark white. It's creamy. It's just my favorite. It is my go-to color. Once I do that, then I go ahead and I set it aside and I do the same thing to the frame because I did add the candle wax to the frame as well. And then we'll make sure that I did two coats on it, by the way. I just didn't show it on video. Once I'm done with that, then I make sure that it's dry and I take this scraper and I'm just trying to scrape away the paint that was resisted by the wax. I love the chippy look. I do it a lot. I'm sorry if you get tired of looking at it, but it is my favorite. And I'm making this for me, so I'm going to make it the way that I like it. Okay, so now we're going to go to the quilt block pieces. And I have my Paint Couture colors there, and we're going to start with Spanish Sunrise. This is the mineral paint, and I do apply two coats to the pieces that I'm doing in that color. And now I'm going to bring in the pitch black. This is the chalk style paint, and I'm doing the pieces that I only use one color on. I'm sorry, one coat on. And then we're going to bring in another new favorite of mine, and it's called Vintage Moss. It's such a beautiful green, and this is in the mineral style paint as well. I do two coats on that. And now for the center of the sunflower, I'm pulling those pieces off and also one of the flower petals on each side of it. I'm pulling those off too. And then we're going to work on the paint inlay. I am using the IOD Paint Inlay Delft Traditions Noir. I am first painting, I put a base coat of the buttermilk on, and then I did add an additional coat when I was applying the inlay. I am really trying to go for a very antiqued look. I purchased a bunch of quilt block squares from somebody had got them at an estate sale, and just looking at them with all the, the oldness, the discolor that's on them. That's what I'm really trying to achieve here, and you'll see in the end because I do antique it quite a bit, and but that's what I was going for. I wanted it to look like we were hanging up an old block, like we put it in a frame and we had this quilt block and we're just displaying it. Okay, so I applied the paint inlays, I sprayed them with water, and I pushed it in with a paper towel, and I set that aside for a while, and I painted those other four pieces with Tuscan Sun. That's a mineral paint too. And then we're going to go back to the inlays as you see here. I spray them with the water. I let it set probably about 30 seconds, and then I'm peeling it off. And look how gorgeous that is. Oh, I absolutely love it. I am so glad that I thought to use this in this paint inlay. It's beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a dry. And now I'm visual, so I need to see it all together. I was going to use stencils, but then I decided, well, I wanted to see what it looked like, and I feel like it has enough texture. So I went ahead and I put the stencil away. And now I'm just using a makeup sponge to apply some of that Van Dyke Brown around the edges and to give it that dirty look throughout the quilt block. You know, material, it discolors when it's old. It like there's splotches on it, and that is really what my goal was here. If you don't like that look, if you do something like this, then you just, you do it the way that you like. But this is how I like it. I hope I've inspired you. I will leave a complete product list in the bottom of the description. Please follow Paint Couture so that you can see more videos from other members of the Paint Couture creative team. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great rest of your day.